Hello guys and welcome to Basic Tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you the step-by-step tutorial of how to activate or deactivate the developer options on your Android device. So first thing you have to do is to open the settings and scroll down until you find the About Phone or About Device and then click it. And then click Version and find Build Number. But if you can't find the About Phone or About Device, just go back to the settings and in the search bar, type Build Number and then click it. And now to enable the developer option, you have to click the build number 7 times, and then a message will pop up showing that you are now in developer mode. After that, you have to go back to search bar again and then type developer options, then click it. You are now in developer options and you may now access the advanced settings of your phone. And if you want to turn off the developer options, you just have to click the blue button here on the right side of developer options. And that is how to activate or deactivate the developer options. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you.